Shut up, bitch!
Yo, I don't think they ready, bro. Okay, I'm here with a bop on my back, running faster than a breeze when I hop on the track. Man, I'm feeling like the seas, how I flop at the rack, and I'm dunking shit with ease like I'm Fox down in Sacktown. And I never slack now, I'm head of the pack now, laying on my stomach the way that I never back down, throwing dots like Dak now, put me on a beat and out on this like number 3 AD with the whack brow. Man, I'm sick. Flow just got me rolling on the beat like Rick. Jay Crowder in the finals with the heat, I brick. If you fucking with my dogs in the streets like Vic, say hello to John Wick like click, click, boom. In the room, writing lyrics, I assume that you hear me going zoom. Derrick Rose, how I bloom, MVP every time you hear me rap. I'm a snap running laps around these rappers that swear they better than me, that's cap. Like they really didn't think I would hop on a track and murder it as hard as I am, bro. Matt, you ready for this shit, bro?
I'm ready, bro.
Man, you thought I was done. Think I'm Kareem Hunt the way I kick it and run. Like Kyler Murray, how I always end up quick to the gun. Maybe Weezy, how I always keep it sick with the puns. They call me Popeyes, how I always get my chicks by the ton. Hey, it's over every time that I hop on a beat, and you're gonna know my name like the top of a tweet. Think I'm in front of a trick the way I stop and I greet. You can call me Zach and Cody cause my doc life is sweet.
Y'all wasn't expecting me. I'm a tall white boy from the A63. Feeling like I'm Tarzan climbing up the tree. Looking down on the bench like the money made me. Whoa. Nate's verse was mean. Come and get a sack like you pat your queen. We stay ripping pop around, sip no lean. Telling jits with a dude called the man and Dean. I'm a home, so I throw right between the seam. Trying to bounce off the stress like it's on a beam. I keep it frank like I'm Jack, son. Call me Russ, how I take it to the wreck, son. Steady making meals, you mean to call me Max, son. Shit ended up like your subtract, son. They keep on saying that we back, son. Acting if we ever left. Me and Nate make a trouble like we top the clef. Me and G is like a second line, running out of time. Getting green like a llama, I'm out my mind. Like Carolina, reel it in. Your flow, I be just straight stealing it. Scoring your bitch like dealing in the back of the end zone. Bitch, I fucking caught it. Got a new whip, I ain't even fucking bought it. And I look at shit, Luke, I ain't even fucking shot it. Double sevens on my chest like I flip a Cuban. Always stacking bread like I make a damn Reuben. Pull up to the DMV and we gon' be cruising. Bars weak, got a man snoozing. And me and Nate on a track just proving. You compete with any rapper in vicinity. Tryna bullet mine for the blow mine Kennedy. I got the remedy, nobody can get to me. Might get a bit of me before you get a hit of me. You are the epitome. A fake rapper talking shit, they just don't mean shit to me. I'm gone.